Fuck, I pinched myself in the eye. Hey guys, I'm back and I have a eyeshadow tutorial or something. I'm doing this look, so you make whatever you want of it and get ready with me, or a tutorial, but I think it's a tutorial. So yeah, if you want to know how I did this, then keep on watching. So I'm back. Now, well, the first thing I like to do is my eyebrows, make a base for my eyes, and then I'm gonna do that off camera because it's easier and it takes up less time. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. I have made my base and we can get started with the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is my Morphe palette in 35N. First I'm gonna use this shade as a transition shade. Wait a second, I'm gonna zoom you guys in for a second. So now that we are zoomed in, all close up and personal. First of all, so the transition shade, I'm gonna apply it all over my lid and just make sure that it's kind of a peachy nude, which I like to use in these types of looks. So now that we are done, I'm gonna use this shade right here and just apply it on the outer corners. And yes, again, the same brush, you know me. On the outer corners right here, just leaving the middle open. Really lightly, just bring it up your eyes. Like this. Now that we have applied our orange-ish shade, I'm gonna use my Aristo palette from Zoeva and use this orange shade here. Also applying this on the outer corners of our eyes, leaving the middle part open. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a semi-clean blending brush, the E25 from Sigma Nightlife collection, and just buff out the edges. Like this. After I'm done with the orange, I'm gonna use the red shade from this eyeshadow palette, from the Strength eyeshadow palette by Luminous Cosmetics. I made a review on that one, so if you haven't seen it, check it out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Same story with that, also on the outer corners, and leave the middle open. And apply it like this. For the inner eye corner, I'm gonna use a really precise brush. It's a pencil brush, just a standard pencil brush, because if it gets too much in there, it's just gonna look messy. Now that we have made this eye, we're gonna do it on the other eye as well, of course. Just pack it on like real good. It's a red shade. If you have seen my review, you know this one was quite a disappointment, but if you pack it on really well, it's definitely worth the color. So after we're done with the red shade, we're gonna move on to a deeper shade, also to create more of a dimension. For that, I'm gonna use the same palette, the Aristo from Zoeva palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here. Also for that, I'm gonna use a detailed brush so you can work finely in the precise areas. I'm gonna use the shade In the Ground and just apply it right here, just to deepen the color. And right here. And not too much, because we don't want to lose all of the red color. I'm gonna use the brush I used the red with to blend it out, so it can still be a bit more red. And I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. After we're done with this, we're gonna apply a lighter shade on top of our lid to create the illusion of a bigger eye. And for that, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills featuring ABHxAMREZY highlighter, because it's an amazing warm toned highlighter and it's perfect for this look. Here it is. It's a beautiful, beautiful highlighter, and I like to use it for these kind of warm looks. And then we're gonna do it on the other eye as well. And here it is, it's the final look. And now it's time for lashes and mascara. I always put on mascara first because I like to keep my lashes clean, and I don't like to put it on top of my lashes because it gets dirty real quick. So firstly I'm gonna use my Sigma sinuosity. I can't pronounce that word, never. So I'm gonna use my Sigma mascara and just apply it on my lashes. By the way, I will leave all of the products I used in my description box, so you can check it out if you want to. And this is gonna be the first time ever I'm gonna use these lashes, but they are from New Artist Cosmetics, and I love their brand, and they just came out with lashes, so I'm dying to try these. And it's in the style Lyla. They are mink lashes and they are cruelty free, which is amazing, and they look so stunning, and I love the packaging. So let's see how they look on my eyes. Oh wow, I usually don't like these kind of shapes, but this one is absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna just stab them like this and mix them with my own lashes. Okay, so now that we are done with the face, I'm gonna apply my foundation and all real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back and I have finished my full face, everything else, my foundation and all, and this is the outcome. I just put the red eyeshadow underneath my eyes as well, and yeah, this is it. Okay, now I hope that you love me and you will subscribe to me and you will support me, because I would love to. No, but anyways, just subscribe and tell me what you think of the look. Tell me if there's something I can do better on, and I will see you guys another time. Bye!